Your cafe order just got replaced by your kitchen counter. Meet the Philips LatteGo Series. Real beans, real milk, real cafe taste. No barista required. Whether you're juggling work, family, or just trying to enjoy a quiet moment with a great cup of coffee, the Philips LatteGo Series makes it easy to enjoy barista-style brews. No lines, no fuss, just one-touch perfection. The Philips 2300 Series LatteGo is your all-in-one, fully automatic espresso machine. With one-touch selection and customization, you can make 5 delicious drinks, from a bold espresso to a silky cappuccino, or from freshly ground beans. The LatteGo milk system cooks smooth, cafe-style froth in seconds, and cleans up in under 10 seconds under the tap, or just pop it in the dishwasher. Customize your coffee strength, length, and milk froth level using the intuitive touch display. The aroma extract system ensures the perfect balance of temperature and flavor. And with the AquaClean filter, you can go up to 5,000 cups without descaling. Want even more variety? The Philips 4400 Series LatteGo takes it up a notch with 12 plus hot and iced cafe-style recipes, including your favorites like flat white, iced latte, and long black, all available with one-touch selection. Thanks to Quick Start, you can power on and brew in under 3 seconds. No waiting around. The LatteGo milk system is still the easiest to clean, while Silent Brew technology keeps things 40% quieter, ideal for early mornings. You can even save up to 4 user profiles, so everyone in the family gets their perfect cup every time. With the aroma extract system and a durable ceramic grinder, every cup is brewed at the ideal temperature for a full flavor and a rich crema. If you're upgrading from pods, instant, or even daily cafe runs, the Philips LatteGo Series is your next step. Check them out at JB Hi-Fi.